Good day, everyone. We are here in front of Ate Malin Eatery to know where is BF Skinner is. Hey, sir. Do you know where we can find BF Skinner?
Chong ching chong chong.
Chong ang ching ching chong!
Chong ching chong chong.
Ah, chong ang ching ching chongi! Hey, BF Skinner! BF Skinner, can you explain the radical behavioralism?
For me, personality is essentially intuition. People see what others do and infer. Underlying character, this dimension exists only in the eye of the beholder. And also for me, true to his own beliefs, characteristics his personal development in terms of environmental variations that shape his conduct and not in terms of internal change.
Di man lang nag-thank you.
Thank you very much.